When we contemplate the sheer scale of the atrocities committed during the Holocaust, one name often emerges as a chilling symbol of Nazi Germany's horrific machinery: Auschwitz. It is a name that represents unimaginable suffering and systematic extermination, but understanding its structure is key to grasping the full scope of its operations. Many people envision a single, isolated camp, yet the reality was far more expansive and deliberately complex, designed to maximize its devastating purpose. Auschwitz was not a single entity, but rather a vast complex of concentration and extermination camps. Specifically, it comprised three main camps, which formed the core of the largest Nazi concentration camp system. These primary camps were Auschwitz I, Auschwitz II-Birkenau, and Auschwitz III-Monowitz, each serving distinct yet interconnected functions within the broader network of terror and forced labor. The reason for this multi-camp structure was a cruel combination of efficiency and specialization driven by Nazi ideology. Auschwitz I, the original camp established in April 1940, served primarily as an administrative center and a concentration camp for Polish political prisoners, intellectuals, and later, Soviet prisoners of war. Its function evolved to include extermination, particularly through the use of Zyklon B gas. Auschwitz II-Birkenau, constructed starting in October 1941, became the largest component of the complex. It was explicitly designed as an extermination camp and a major site for the final solution, featuring gas chambers and crematoria that facilitated the mass murder of European Jews. Auschwitz III-Monowitz, established in October 1942, was primarily a labor camp, housing prisoners exploited for slave labor in the nearby IG Farben industrial plants, specifically the synthetic rubber factory known as Bunawerki. Understanding this tripartite division helps us recognize the distinct purposes and brutal efficiencies of each section. For instance, the sheer size of Birkenau, with its expansive barracks and multiple gas chambers, made it central to the Holocaust's extermination goals. Monowitz highlighted the economic exploitation of prisoners, where human lives were reduced to disposable labor for the German war effort. Meanwhile, Auschwitz I continued to serve as the brutal heart of the administration and initial prisoner reception. Beyond these three main camps, it is important to know that the Auschwitz complex also included over 40 subcamps. These smaller camps, dispersed across the region, further extended the reach of slave labor, forcing prisoners to work in mines, quarries, and other industrial or agricultural enterprises for the Nazi regime. This intricate network of main camps and subcamps underscores the industrial scale and systematic nature of Nazi crimes, revealing a meticulously planned and executed system of terror, exploitation, and genocide. Therefore, when we consider Auschwitz, it is crucial to remember not just a single site, but a vast, interconnected system. This understanding allows us to fully grasp the organizational horror and immense human cost of Nazi Germany's genocidal policies, reminding us of the systematic planning behind the unspeakable suffering endured by millions.
If history fascinates you, like, subscribe, and explore more with us.